This video is a debunking of a ghost cat video. For those of you who are not aware of it, this video is showing a cat moving in front of a vehicle. The background is mostly black, and there's very little movement, but there are some random things flying by that fall down from the sky. It might be dust, leaves, doesn't matter. To our left, and possibly behind the camera, is a light source, which means anything that gets in front that isn't accommodated for by the auto contrast, auto focusing camera you knew dang good and well was up here, is going to overblow the brightness. And we have a cat that's overblowing the brightness, but its movement, even at 30 frames a second, is getting blurred. That means this is a compressed video. Those are two frames stuck to each other. As it's walking from our right to the left, something happens. A streak of material flies by. I want you to note before it, behind the cat, there is no apparent movement of any kind. Now we'll go forward in time, one step at a time, and I'm using YouTube to play it. As soon as that streak goes by, the compression algorithm then does something strange. From there to there, between these two frames, we see a change happen. I'm going to point to it being right there. Pay attention. Bang. Something didn't land there, but the algorithm for the video has decided to fix something, and it starts repeating the video. Or it really was a cat behind it, and it's data moshing a real cat following it. The cat that's following it, if you can't tell from the blur factor, I'm going to let it play, is smaller. That might be a little kitten following it. But the algorithm just decided, because it's a darker color, to make this now smeared area happen. You notice the contrast here? Now I'm going to back it up to before the cat showed up and see if you can see a contrast change. A little further back. Now we're going to look way back at the beginning. Right here. Look here. Now I'm going to bring it forward to just after the cat finished passing. Ignore where my mouse is and look right here. Do you see a smear pattern? Yeah. Something's moving slowly and is duplicating the movements almost exactly. It was probably a darker colored cat that was simply following it. Maybe it's its baby. I don't know. Or just another cat. Or it could have been the algorithm for the software making this happen. All credit to Juliet Bird and Denang Kroll. I can't pronounce it. Anyway, on the Cattery page, I'll leave a link to it. But this is an analysis of a video error. This is something that happens when you get random debris flying past a camera, causing this problem. And again, we'll watch it in normal speed. You'll see the line go by, and then suddenly a cat appears. And that's only when it happens. Before that, there is no evidence of anything following it. So that means it confused the algorithm and probably just repainted the cat, or it was throwing out any frame changes, showing anything behind it, until it had that interrupted and it suddenly paid attention to an actual cat. Or it just refed the data. We don't know which or what happened, because this is a problem that happens so often that it is one of the reasons that any video you enter in court can be called into question. They'll even play this video possibly in court to prove that. But the smear factor across the video is the real deal for finding out that this is not a ghost. Because when you go here, this is a ghosting effect, almost like a persistence of vision kind of thing. And when you go from here to the 3-second mark, you see a major contrast change right there that shows that it is an anomaly in the video recording, not a ghost. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.